Don't worry, officer. We will contact you if ever we hear from you.
Maraming salamat po. Alis na po kami.
Ma, seryoso ba ilalaglag mo si Dad ng ganun-ganun lang? Eh, hindi mo lang ba siya ipagtatanggol? Ma, you really think na siya yung pumatay dyan sa kabit mo?
Don't speak to me that way, Amelie! Napupuno na ako sa'yo!
My dad is not a killer! And if he really committed that crime, that's on you. Ikaw may kasalanan itong lahat. Because you cheated on him. Ikaw ang nag-push sa kanya i-commit yung crime na yun. Ikaw! Lahat ng dahil sa'yo, Ma!
Tumigil ka na, Amelie! Tumigil ka na! I did no such thing!
Pagka nakulong si Dad, walang ibang sisisihin kundi ikaw lang. You ruined this family. Ma, tinakasa ni Daddy yung warrant niya?
Yes, kakakausap ko na sa arresting officer. Your father is now officially a fugitive. What a disgrace!
So hindi mo siya tutulungan ulit?
Why should I? For all you know, deserve niya lahat to. For all his infidelities to me.
Eh, di ba nag-cheat ka din? Eh, ikaw, asan yung karma mo? Kahit anong sampal yan, Ma. Kahit 10 sampal pa yan, hindi na yan masakit. Alam mo kung ano yung masakit? Yung sampal ng katotohanan.
Anong katotohanan, Amelie?
Let me spell it out for you one last time. You can never be the mother that I hoped for. Wala ka na talagang pag-asa. Never ko gugustuhin maging katulad mo.
You come back here, Amelie. Come back here, Amelie.